Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A collection of inspiring ideas is presented for maximizing space and style in a modern front yard. Transform a small area into a welcoming, visually stunning outdoor retreat with these creative design solutions. Front yard is an extension of the home's interior design. Use vertical space for planting and storage. Utilize multi-purpose furniture. Mix and match materials to create visual interest. Incorporate outdoor lighting for ambience and safety. Create defined areas for different functions. Utilize hardscape to create visual pathways and seating areas. Consider the use of decorative screens or fences for privacy. Incorporate a focal point to draw the eye. Choose drought-tolerant plants for low-maintenance upkeep. Incorporate water features to create a calming atmosphere. Utilize sustainable building materials. Showcase stunning front yard designs with small footprints. Feature real-life examples of successful transformations. Encourage viewers to share their own ideas and projects. A tranquil modern outdoor space. A contemporary home with dark gray stone exterior walls and a light brown wooden roof overhangs a patio-style deck. A carefully curated garden surrounds the home. Various shades of green plants, ferns, and leafy tropical foliage are interspersed with gravel pathways and decorative stones. A paved walkway leads from the garden to a covered patio area with outdoor furniture. The scene is bathed in a soft golden light, hinting at the sunlight through the trees. There's a touch of Japanese garden aesthetic. Show the pathway in great detail with the flat rectangular stones. The plants are lush and vibrant, evoking a sense of peacefulness and tranquility. A sprawling modern home nestled within a lush, landscaped garden. The home features a contemporary design with a mix of gray stucco and stacked stone accents, large, dark-framed windows, and a dark gray roof. The landscaping is meticulously maintained, with manicured hedges, well-defined gardens, and a paved pathway leading to the house. The pathway is made of large, rectangular gray stone slabs bordered by a bed of small, smooth gray stones. The pathway is softly lit by ground-level lights, enhancing the ambience. Trees surround the property, creating a sense of intimacy and privacy. The lighting casts a warm glow on the gardens, the stones, and the home. A modern, two-story house with a brick facade and a large covered patio area. The house features a contemporary design with dark gray metal accents, a light brown wooden roof overhang, and expansive glass windows letting in natural light. The patio area is paved with light gray paving stones, bordered by a rust-colored metal planter. The planter contains various drought-tolerant plants including succulents, ferns, and grasses, with small decorative rocks. A walkway of large rectangular gray paving stones leads to the front door, lined with a mix of small colorful pebbles. The lawn is a vibrant green, bordered by well-maintained hedges and shrubs. A modern, eco-friendly house with lush green vertical gardens and a rooftop garden. The house features a wooden facade with horizontal planks, black metal accents, and large glass windows. The walls and roof are covered in various sizes and types of green foliage, creating a natural, immersive aesthetic. The house has multiple levels with balconies and terraces, all furnished with outdoor furniture. A wooden deck extends from the house, surrounded by lush green lawn. The colors are warm browns, deep greens, and cool grays, with pops of reddish-purple flowers in the gardens. The lighting suggests a bright, sunny day. The image should evoke a sense of tranquility, harmony with nature, and modern design. A modern, spacious, and meticulously landscaped backyard deck area. A large, contemporary home with gray stone exterior and dark gray metal roofing. The deck is made of rich, warm-toned brown wood planks with a slightly raised, tiered design, leading down to a water feature. 2 levels of raised, gray stone steps/platforms lead to the deck, featuring a shallow water feature with warm, amber-toned lighting. The deck has comfortable outdoor furniture, including a sectional sofa set in taupe beige tones. A variety of carefully manicured landscaping and greenery, including shrubs, bushes, and grasses are throughout the design. The overall aesthetic is impressionistic, featuring natural light and soft shadows. A modern, secluded home with a beautifully landscaped backyard. The home is dark gray with black metal accents and large windows that frame a view of the yard. The exterior walls are a rich, warm brown brick. The landscaping features multiple tiers of stone retaining walls and walkways. Steps leading to the house are highlighted with a warm, golden yellow LED strip lighting. The landscaping includes various textures and heights of greenery, such as shrubs, bushes, and grasses, in rich, deep greens, muted golds, and browns. A modern, contemporary home, evening scene. Large, open-plan living space with glass walls, showcasing the indoor-outdoor flow. Light streams through the large glass sliding doors illuminating the interior. The exterior features stone and dark gray architectural details. A meticulously designed landscaping design using various desert plants and succulents in raised planters and beds with gravel and stones. Ambient lighting emphasizes the greenery and textures. Evening sky, soft light, warm golden hues reflecting off the glass and plants. Mid-level, a level view of the home and lush landscape. A modern home exterior with a meticulously landscaped courtyard. A large, contemporary house with a dark gray brick exterior and expansive windows featuring natural light. A covered entryway leads to a paved courtyard that features a mix of gray stone pavers and smooth, dark gray river rocks, in a design that flows around the planting beds. The courtyard is filled with a variety of carefully placed plants, including vibrant, fall-colored maples, various green shrubs, and colorful flowers. A modern, spacious home with a beautifully landscaped yard. A large, contemporary home with a light beige facade and dark gray window frames sits amidst lush landscaping. The house has a large stone fireplace, a covered patio area, and multiple large windows overlooking the yard. The yard features a variety of plants, including lavender bushes, vibrant yellow flowers, and green shrubs, all artfully arranged around a winding, paved walkway made from varied colored, irregularly shaped stones.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.